Play Journey to Big Bird, where Big Bird hides and Elmo seeks. That's me. Today is part 2 of Journey to Big Bird. Good luck. See ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here we come. Do you remember Big Bird's clue? Yeah. Big Bird's hiding in a circus with clowns, yeah. Ah! Yeah. Let's ask my friend George. Hey George, have you seen Big Bird? Yeah. Where's Big Bird hiding? He's hiding tall and small. Hiding in something tall and small? Yep. Thank you. Let's see if we hear Big Bird's laugh. Big Bird's singing voice. La la. That sounded like Big Bird. Gotcha, Big Bird. You found me! It's Big Bird. It's me. I know you in the place. 8 feet of yellow feathers. The peak upon your face. Your happy Big Bird voice. La la tells us you're the one. We found it. We found him. La 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 la. Our journey to Big Bird is done. Do 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 do. I can't wait to see where I hide next time. Bye bye. Thanks for playing. Bye bye.